So you're ready to build your personal brand. You are a transformational expert, ready to come out of the shadows, shine your light. You might be a coach, a consultant, service professional. Maybe you just have something you want to talk about, a theme that you're ready to just binge on. I am excited for you to watch this video because in this video, I am gonna help you with the 3 phases of building your personal brand. Hi, my name is Shireen Francis, and this is Personal Brand Boss, where I help bosses build their brand. If you need help with building your personal brand or any of these steps, by the way, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will be delivering more helpful content for you to come out of the shadows, step into the light, and really share your message. And so let's get into this. The first phase is messaging and digital strategy. You do not need to get a logo yet, photography, website. Do not do any of that yet, because if you don't know what your plan is, how will you know what you will actually need? How will you know what systems and softwares you'll need? And you don't even know like what your message is. So the message needs to match the look of your brand. For example, as a child, you probably read a picture book, right? And if that book was about elephants and the pictures had giraffes on them, well, it might have a disconnect. So a lot of these things are the things we need to keep in mind when we're about to pursue building our personal brand. So phase one is all about your message, your brand story. Like, why do people want to work with you? Why do people need to hear what you have to say? You need to know what your story is. What is the unique take and the unique spin that you bring to the marketplace? This also includes things like your voice, your tonality, your personality, and what does that look like? Like, what are you gonna be wearing? Are you gonna be in jeans and t-shirts all the time? Are you gonna be in suits? Like, your colors, your fonts, logos, and what is that gonna look like when we package it all together? Also, you're gonna wanna know what is gonna happen when you're marketing yourself. Like, where are you gonna put yourself? What tools are you gonna use? What website platform best suits your initiatives? And also, what are the main channels you're going to be using? You don't need to be on all social mediums. You don't need to be doing all the things. You only really need to focus on one medium and maybe have 2 complementary mediums to help you promote yourself. But you need to have a plan. You need to have a blueprint. It's just like if you were building a house, you wouldn't start decorating until you decided, well, where are the walls? What is the foundation, right? Build the foundation first, right? And so this is what phase 1 is all about. So then there's phase 2. This is where you actually start doing the thing. So phase 1 was planning the thing. Phase 2 is getting the materials to do the thing. So this is where you finally like, oh, okay, well, my message is X, therefore I need these visuals to complement it. If you are a life coach and you are maybe coaching on like spirituality for relationships, like how to be more confident, how to have boundaries, how to love yourself before you're attracting someone into your life. Let's say we're working with a relationship coach of some sort, right? You would need to know like how you want to make that look visually. What is the essence of that and how does that look visually? If it's like, oh, sexy, like let's get your sexy up and all this, then you're gonna probably wanna choose colors that are red and black and bold, right? But if it's like, oh, like let's get your feminine energy up and that sort of thing, maybe you're gonna use softer colors like pinks and whites. Whatever your message is gonna determine the visuals, and therefore you're gonna wanna begin to get fonts that match that. You're gonna get logo and colors that match that. You're gonna wanna do photography in a place that matches that. So this is where you collect all the things, design all the things, a lot of imaging happening here. And this is when you start to look at how you're visually communicating your message. And so If you have your brand story and your copywriting and your visuals together, then you can go to phase 3 where you put things together. So phase 3 is putting things together, and this is where you actually build the house. And once you have built the house, you decorate it, right? And so this is where you choose what is the best website for you. Depending on what you need, then you're going to choose that platform. My favorite platform is Kajabi for service professionals, coaches, consultants, hands down. It might be a bit of an investment in the beginning. However, it has all the things you need as a coach, consultant, service professional. My secondary shout outs would probably be Squarespace and Wix. And then after that, your basic WordPress site. I mean, they've been around forever. You're also gonna need things like email marketing. You're gonna need to put up your social media handles and brand that. And once you put your message and you put all your look and visuals together, then you have a brand. Then you can start showing up. Then you could start posting and doing all the things. Then you can start really spreading the word about what you're doing. Those are the 3 steps to establishing your personal brand. If you need help with any and all of these steps, please reach out. You might be thinking, well, Shireen, I don't know what my story is. Like, what makes me unique? What is my niche? What is my, I don't know. Then talk to me, talk to us, right? Reach out, book a chat, and we'll see how we can help you. Information about how I could help you is in the description, and I will see you in the next video.